Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you OnePay how to fix card not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix card not working, first what you need to do is head over to your app store, then on the search bar type in OnePay and look for an app icon like this on your search list. Then once search list shows that app, simply tap on that, and now inside check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen, then open up your settings. Then inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general, then inside general tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find the option or the OnePay app. Simply tap on it, and once you're inside here, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix the issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.